In this video, we're going to go over all the different tapping points. Keep in mind, if you are dealing with some deep-seated emotion, trauma that you need to get to the core of, you want to work with an accredited certified EFT practitioner. Tapping does not replace any medical treatment. I'm not a medical practitioner, therapist, doctor. You always want to continue your own treatment. Tapping does not replace that. And always be responsible for your own healing, your own well-being, your own health. So let's begin. So with each video, there are some basic tapping points that we would be tapping on. I just may change them up here and there because there's so much to tapping and energy psychology, so many different techniques that could be done at different times depending on what's going on. So we're just going to go over the basics, as the majority of the videos are fairly basic. Again, if you want to go more detailed, you want to work with a practitioner. To begin, we have this side of the hand. Which hand you choose doesn't matter. You can go this, that doesn't make a difference. Next spot we tend to tap on is the eyebrow point. So you want to make sure you're actually tapping on that eyebrow. You'll feel the bone. You could do one hand, the other hand, you could do both. I personally like both. The side of the hand, sorry, the side of the eyes here, right over here. Again, both one or the other. Under the eye, you'll feel the bone underneath your eye. Under your nose, but between your nose and the top of your mouth. The indent here of the chin. The collarbone point. So if you look here where you feel your collarbone here, you're going to see or feel 2 points. If you go inwards on a diagonal, you're going to feel an indent and it'll be a little sore, so you know you hit the spot. Another spot, the sore spot, is right under your arm. If you go in about 4 inches, you're going to hit a little indent on both sides. Again, that spot, you're going to feel the soreness. The next spot would be under the arms. So about 4 inches underneath the armpit. And for women, it's pretty much the bra line. If you press on there, you're going to feel some soreness. Another spot I want to add is between your pinky and your ring finger. Right over here, there's an indent. So there's an indent there that we'd be tapping on. And the last spot would be tapping on the top of the head. And again, like I said, I may switch it up at times depending on the video and what we're working on. You just follow me. In case you're new to tapping, you just follow me. You repeat after me, and you also follow as I'm tapping along. Happy tapping.